Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2011 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT navigation, chrome roll bar assists on the top there, chrome wheels, brand new Michelin tires all the way around. It's got the extra cross flag mats in it. So that's a trunk mat on top of the regular mat. So I'll just show you, you can see there's your other mat. There's your storage compartment in there. You've got your cargo net there. Have a look in the seams. This is just a beautiful car, 16,000 kilometers only. So what a beauty. It's got NPP performance exhaust with wastegate covers on the back there, which look fabulous. It's a great looking machine. Look at that from the back. Look at the size of that rubber on that car. That is amazing. What a car. It's the wide body, so you see the extra flare in the fender there to cover those ginormous wheels and tires. It's got the Z51 with the larger brakes, larger rotors, and calipers, and beautiful wide wheels. And then on the inside, you've got the two-tone leather seats with the embroidered cross flags on them, and the cross flag on the console as well, matching the cross flag on the floor mats. Wow, what a car. Beautiful. Bose sound system. Have a look in the door frames here as I'm just opening up. Yes, the books are with the car. The navigation discs are with the car. Everything's there. Here's the codes on the car. There you go. So you can see all the codes right there, if you're a code reader and you know what they mean. So beautiful car, fabulous condition, luxury leather, perforated seat inserts. It's got the lumbar and side bolster adjustment as well as a passenger power seat. So all the goodies there, just a beauty. The color crystal red Tintcoat metallic, it's just beautiful. I mean, just wow, it's bright, eh? That is just beautiful the way it's shining. And there's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, beautiful chrome wheels. Look at the size of the rotors on that car and the calipers. That will stop you, no worries. Under the hood here, 435 horsepower, mated to the six-speed manual transmission. And the cool thing for me is to take note here, 16,000 kilometers, but there's not a bit of corrosion anywhere here. There is no corrosion. Like, this car has never been out and been wet. This is a joy to have. Look at the under the hood mat there, in fabulous condition, no issues, nothing going on there, just beauty. On the front here, license plate has been lowered so that it doesn't have to be right there in the front. It's lowered down a bit. You've got the nice lower valance, which is in great shape, as you can see. Looking really good. Stone chips, I'm sure there's probably a couple somewhere, but nothing really stands out. Nothing you can see there. The headlights are clear. There's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues. The nice Grand Sport gills look fabulous. And then on the back here, your other back wheel, same thing, just fabulous condition. Beautiful. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, driver memory package to adjust the seat, the radio, etc. On the inside, again, that beautiful two-tone leather seating with the embroidered cross flags, a nice little chrome roll bar assists on the top there. And let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Push button start. All good. There's your navigation working. You've got air conditioning, dual zone, heated seats. There's your 6-speed manual. Beautiful car. Underneath in here are the power outlet and then the original keys for the power convertible top right there. No worries. Here is your steering wheel controls for your radio and for your phone, and your heads-up display here, which you should be able to see right there. Here, I'll wiggle it up and down so that you can see it. There you go. So you can move it up and down and change the color, etc. So it's all right there. 16,553 kilometers. That's just beautiful. What a car. Now this opens up here so you can put your CD player, CDs in there, or your DVD. So I've currently got the nav DVD in there, and there's room for 6 CDs in there. So cool. So let's put the top up now, which is just the push of a button. Yes, it has OnStar in case you were wondering. So here goes the top. We'll just watch that in action. comes the waterfall down, locking down into place. And then the top. And beautiful. There's one thing left to do, which is to take this and lock it like so, and then put the power windows up, and we're good to go. So it's got nice deep tinted glass on it. It's a great look. Let's get outside and have a look. Yes, it has tilt wheel. Yes, it has power telescopic wheel. Here's your trunk release and gas door. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. What a beauty. What a beautiful car. Great looking color, great looking wheels, brand new rubber, Michelin tires at that, the Pilot Super Sports. Beautiful. That nice NPP performance exhaust just chugs away. It's a really good look with the deep tinted glass with the top up and the black top. The value in having the lighter colored interior is that when you have the top down outside, it's not as hot. So that's a great feature. So here you have it, folks, 2011 Chevrolet Grand Sport Corvette, 3LT, chrome wheels, crystal red Tintcoat metallic. It's a beauty. Navigation, everything, only 16,000 kilometers. Here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.